What are the best new cars that almost nobody is buying? That's what we're going to find out. Welcome to Car Help Corner, and today I'm going to share 5 brand new vehicles that very few consumers buy, which happen to be incredibly well designed, super reliable, and are genuine hidden gems. So let's get right into this list, starting with the first vehicle, which is the Toyota Crown. The Crown truly is Toyota's best kept secret. It's basically the same size as the far more popular Toyota Camry, but compared to the Camry, it is more comfortable, more luxurious, just as reliable, if not more reliable, built to a higher level of build quality, and unlike the Camry, it is actually made in Japan. I got reacquainted with the Crown on a test drive a little while back, and I was absolutely blown away by just how incredibly well it drives and how luxurious it feels. The quality leather, the excellent fin finish, the sensible use of technology with proper physical controls. It's so nice that I'm not sure whether I see much point in spending far more money for the equivalent Lexus model, the ES350h. Like the ES and Camry, the Crown comes with all-wheel drive and a super fuel-efficient, rock-solid hybrid system that can handle high mileage with ease. This is Toyota's well-proven 2-motor hybrid based around a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's time-tested, ultra-reliable, and built to last. If you want, you can even get an optional Hybrid Max version with over 360 horsepower, something that you cannot even get on the Lexus. The Crown might not be a hot seller, but those who jump on one will absolutely not be disappointed with their purchase. The next hidden gem that we have on the list is an excellent choice for those who want to have a regular, everyday commuter car that's both reliable and super affordable. And that car is the Subaru Impreza. The Impreza is one of the most overlooked compact cars on the market, which is a shame because it's actually quite a deal. It is basically a hatchback version of the Subaru Crosstrek, one of the most reliable, well-made, well-designed small crossovers on the market. But compared to the far more popular Crosstrek, the only things the Impreza really gives up are a slightly higher seating position, some ground clearance, and a bit more power. Other than that, they are pretty much identical. Same made in Japan build quality and outstanding reputation for reliability, the same class-leading symmetrical all-wheel drive, the same everything, but you can get the Impreza for a lower price with better discounts and incentives, which make it not just a hidden gem, but the true value buy of the Subaru lineup. And speaking of deals and value, before we get to our next car of the list, I have an excellent offer to share from this video's sponsor, 3W Autolife. A little while back, 3W Autolife sent me a set of their custom fit floor mats, and after spending some time with them, I have to say, these mats have truly exceeded my expectations. They are made from an odorless, non-toxic material that's incredibly durable, which means they don't wear down easily, they don't lose their shape, and they can handle regular use without looking worn out. And when they do get messy, they are super easy to clean. Another thing that I really like about these mats is the perfect fit. These aren't just generic floor mats. They're laser measured for each vehicle and come with built-in fasteners, so they fit securely in place and fit perfectly in the floors for the front seats, the back seats, and even the cargo area. But for me, the number one thing that I like most about these mats is their excellent value for money. The 3W mats are very well priced for what you get. In fact, they're way less expensive than the OEM mats that I originally had, which were nowhere near as good. And the best part is if you use the promo code below, you'll get another 35% off the regular price. 3W Autolife is currently running its Amazon Prime Day floor mat sale with some of the biggest discounts of the year on custom fit floor mats. So be sure to check the links in the video description below and be sure to use my discount code to save on your next set of custom floor mats. Now, getting back to our list of hidden gem vehicles, the next one that we have is a truck, and perhaps the most misunderstood, underappreciated new truck on the market, which is the Honda Ridgeline. The Ridgeline gets a lot of criticism for being a unibody truck, sharing the same platform as the Honda Pilot and Passport. And that's a serious shame, because if most truck buyers were being perfectly honest about their needs, the Ridgeline is all the truck most would ever need. A 5-foot bed with decent payload, a 5,000-pound towing capacity, a dual-action tailgate with an enormous lockable compartment under the bed floor, super spacious back seats with under-seat storage, and a well-designed, well-put-together interior. Plus, the Ridgeline has a few things that you don't get in rivals, like a super smooth, comfortable car-like ride, good handling, and a nice, old-school, reliable, naturally aspirated V6 engine. No turbo 4-cylinder nonsense here. The Ridgeline really deserves to be more popular than it is. In a world where trucks have become insanely expensive, oversized, overcomplicated, reliability nightmares, the Ridgeline feels like a breath of fresh air. Just an excellent vehicle that should not be overlooked. And that brings us to our next hidden gem of the list. Another vehicle that is not a hot seller, but may just happen to be the absolute most reliable luxury crossover vehicle that you can buy today. And that vehicle is the Lexus UX 300h. The UX is a small luxury crossover, basically the Lexus equivalent of the Toyota Corolla hatchback or Toyota Prius, two of the most reliable vehicles on the market. What makes the UX a gem is that you get the luxurious look, feel, and interior of a Lexus combined with the efficiency, simplicity, and reliability of Toyota's very best. Like the Prius, the UX is made in Japan and uses the exact same hybrid system based around a naturally aspirated 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. It has proven long-term reliability, ultra-low maintenance and running costs, and because the UX is a Lexus, it is built to an even higher level of build quality. The UX is very small and tight on space, which is why it usually gets overlooked for the far more practical Lexus NX. But there is truly no other luxury crossover you can buy that will be more efficient, more reliable, and so low cost for maintenance and repairs. Which brings us to our final overlooked hidden gem car of the list, which may just be the most controversial one of all, and that car is the Honda Prelude. The Prelude has to be one of the most misunderstood cars there is. The enthusiasts condemn it for not being a proper sports car with a powerful engine and a manual gearbox. But the thing is, Honda really did not intend for this to be that kind of car. What the Prelude is a stylish 2-door coupe with sports car-like handling that happens to also have the everyday comfort, fuel efficiency, and reliability of a sensible economy car. In other words, what the Lexus UX does for luxury crossovers, the Prelude does for sporty coupes. Its standard hybrid system, based around a 2-liter naturally aspirated engine, the same one found in other Hondas, may not be all that exciting, but it's insanely fuel efficient, super reliable, and won't cost much to run or maintain. And it's one of the only Hondas you can buy that's actually made in Japan. Yes, it costs around 10 grand more than a fully loaded Civic, but having such an exclusive, stylish coupe, which few others will have, certainly justifies a price premium. And frankly, there are buyers who would love to have a sporty-looking fun car without the typical sports car compromises. Stiff, uncomfortable ride, the gas-guzzling engine, and the questionable reliability. If you don't want to deal with any of that and just want the look, the handling, the exclusivity of a sports car, the Prelude might just be the perfect choice. So there you have it. Now, after watching this video, which of these hidden gem vehicles would you consider buying? And if there's another brand new vehicle that's a hidden gem that you think I might have missed, let me know in the comments. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the hype button. And if you're planning to purchase a vehicle and need any car buying advice or help with getting a great deal, make sure to check out carhelpcan.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.